Hi guys, this is Junpei Collects, and today I've got 18 Naruto packs from Quest of Power and Lineage of Legend. So, yeah, I guess we could just start opening them. I have my friend Victor here to help me open these.
I'm here to help him open them.
Yep, since these packs are so damn weird to open. I stopped collecting this card game a few years ago because there's just too many sets, and each set had way too many cards in it. Yay, Victor got one of them open for me. Guess we'll start out with this one. Here's this invalid promo code thing. Alright, we got the Nine-Tailed Fox mission, Gara of the Desert, Asuma and Kurenai, Summoning Jutsu, True Worth of the Gentle Fist, Kakashi Sensei's True Face, Toothpick, Naruto, Tenten, a reverse, Neji, Hyuga, and Tenten. I think that's also my rare. Oh no, my rare was Asuma and Kurenai. Next we have this Naruto pack I struggled to open. Okay. Got Rock Lee, True Worth of the Gentle Fist, Perimeter Barrier, Reverse Shizune, Tenten, My Rule, Akamaru, Haku, Windstyle Infinite Sandstorm Devastation, and my rare Secret Woodstyle Jutsu Deep Forest Creation with Orochimaru and the first Hokage. There's the last Quest for Power pack. We only got 3. The rest are Lineage of Legends. Okay. Earthstyle Dark Swamp, Blind Corner, Tunneling Fang, Konohamaru, The Will of Fire, a Reverse Toothpick, not that great, Hinata, Kakashi Hatake, Combination, and Release from the Nightmare, rare. Next we have this Lineage of Legend pack. Pachali, Lightning Ball, Torpedo Nail, Flying into the New Era, Tsukiyomi, Rich Knowledge, Reverse Treat of the Akatsuki, which is a rare, Nagare, Weight Training, and Shadow of the Nine-Tailed Fox. Oh, so it wasn't?
It was Reverse Threat of the Akatsuki.
Huh?
Reverse Threat.
Oh, Threat of the Akatsuki. Thanks, Victor. And why are these so hard to open? We start out with a rare, Temujin. Never seen this far into the series, know who he is. Rich Knowledge, Carry of Life, Bite, Reverse Use of the Land of Wind, which is rare. So 2 rares is nice. Gum Recipe, Irregular Attack, Penniless Man, Izumo and Kotetsu, and Lightning Ball. Sorry about that. Struggling to open these. Let's see, we got Haido Soldier, Transformation, Stand Burial, Reverse Hitode, No Sense of Direction, Naruto Uzumaki, Hitode again, Naruto Uzumaki, Shino, and Komei is the rare. We've got Kurosuki Gang, or Kurosuki Gang, Fire Style Dragon Flame Jutsu, Sand Coffin, Shadow of the Nine-Tailed Fox Spirit, Reverse, No Sense of Direction, Clematis Dance Flower, Tragedy, Sakura Haruno, Super Excellent Great Hyper Attack, and Haido transformed as my rare. Next pack, Cooking Match, Tsukuyomi, Universal Assimilation Jutsu, Wanted poster with a reward. Survival of Mount Takurami, Armed Puppet, Tragedy, Rock Lee, Hanabi and Hiyashi, and my rare is Orochimaru and Kabuto. Next up we got this cool Jiraiya pack. We got Tenten, Choju, Sand Coffin, Blade Slash is my rare, Power of the Sharingan Eye, Curse Healing, Nyaji Hyuga my reverse, Armed Puppet, Blown in the Wind, and Power of the Seven Swordsmen of the Mist. Chakra Absorption Jutsu, Summoning Jutsu Sea Monster, Hyuga Wei, Hakaku, Penniless Man, Ranmaru, Hanabi and Hiyashi. My rare is Kisame, Yoroi Kado, and Toad Sword. Next up is Mobile Fortress, Hokushin, Boulder Avalanche, Multi-Shadow Clone Jutsu, Might Guy is my rare, Power of the Sharingan Eye, Hinata Hyuga, Fire Style Dragon Flame Jutsu is my reverse, False Charge, and I'm Coming to You. So far we've gotten no super rares. Okay, we have out of mission activities, Ino, Repose of the Warriors, Ranmaru, Choji, Sea Monster Panic as my rare, Curse Stealing, Tsukuyomi, Tonfa, and Transformation as my reverse. Repose of the Warriors, Pachali, Island of Mysterious Abductions, another reverse Orochimaru and Kabuto. Thunder Armor, the Squad 7, Bite, reverse Bite right afterwards, Hyuga Wei, and False Charge. Next up we have Tragedy, Survival of Mount Takurami, Sakura, Thunder Funeral Feast of Lightning, Deformable Body, Komei as my rare, Water Style Great Cannonball Jutsu, Cooking Match, Super Excellent Great Hyper Attack as my reverse, and Ino. These cards are long to say. Another Squad 7, Kurosuki Gang, Enko as my reverse, Naruto Uzumaki, Hitore, Victors from the Darkness, Hukushin, Victors from the Darkness. See you, Victor. Hanabi and Hiyashi, Universal Assimilation Jutsu, and Machi is my rare. Oh man, these packs suck. Next up we have Sansho, Konohamaru Ninja Squad, Hanabi and Hiyashi, Toki is my rare, Asuma, Curry of Life, Sand Coffin, Wounds from the Lost Battle is my reverse, Dual OK Temple, and Naruto Uzumaki. We only have 2 more packs. Let's hope for something good. Temujin, Paper Bomb, Backup, Repose of Warriors reverse, Temporary Team, Surprise Attack in the Dark, Symbol of the Evil, Sakura Haruno, Hanabi and Hiyashi, and Symbol of the Rogue Ninja. Last up is this final pack. We have Distinction, No Power Observation, Deformable Body, Blocked Memory reverse and a rare, Hyuga Wei, Night Attack, Weight Training, Shino, Thunder Funeral Feast of Lightning, and Sasuke Uchiha has my rare. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.